been exploring some easy strum songs, and I thought of this one. It's an old rootsy song, Americana kind of thing. It's been around a while, and I'm not even sure who wrote this one. It's been around so long. It's called "He's Got the Whole World in His Hands," and it's just one of those kind of like classic. You can almost hear Bruce Springsteen singing this one on tour with the Pete Seeger Band when he did that Roots tour. But I thought this one would be cool to teach because it's got 2 chords in it. It's a 2-chord wonder. And the 2 chords are C and G7. So if you're a beginner, this is the song for you. Easy strum. And I'm doing just a kind of an easy strum pattern, and I'm playing the big C. So you can play this C if you want to. C to G minor, sorry, G7. That's what that looks like. Back to G7 and C. Now you might want to try, if you're comfortable with it, 3rd finger on the low G note of the E string, which is 3rd fret. It sounds like this. So if you're an absolute beginner, this is a good one. And then the G7th, of course, looks like this. Just like a G chord, but put that 1st finger on the 1st fret of the high E string, and you get a G7th. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sing a little bit through it, and then I'm going to give you a couple moves you can do within it. Nice easy strum. He's got the whole world in his hand. Got the whole wide world in his hand. Got the whole world in his hand. Got the whole world in his hand. Here's your C to a G7. Nice and easy. C. Back to G7. He's got you and me, brother, in his hand. Got you and me, sister, in his hand. He's got you and me, brother, in his hand. Got the whole world in his hand. Now check out what I do on the C chord here. I do a little hammer on. I'm using my 2nd finger on the D string, sorry, 4th string. And this is a great song to explore a couple of little moves. I call it the connective tissue that brings from one chord to the next, kind of makes it interesting. The special sauce, if you will. So if you do a little hammer on it, walk up to the C from the G you go. It's a good lick to know. Starting out on the 3rd fret of the E string, 3rd finger, open A, 2nd finger, 2nd fret of the A string, and then land on your C chord. So I'll put those 2 little moves in context so you can see how they work, and I'll run around a couple times. He's got the whole world in his hand. Got the whole wide world in his hands. Got the whole world in his hand. Got the whole world in his hands. See how I walked up there? He's got the world in his hands. Gotta have a little interior melody, so if you do the little hammer on, got the world in his hand, got the whole wide world in his hand. He's got the whole world in his hand. We'll do the turnaround to the G. World in his hand. He's got you and me, brother, in his hand. Got you and me, sister, in his hand. He's got you and me, brother, in his hand. Got the whole world in his hand. Sing along one time. Got the whole world the whole world in his hands. He's got the whole world in his hands. And there's an old-fashioned song for you. Hope you enjoyed it, and that's a really good easy strum, one you can sing with your friends and have fun with. We'll see you down the road. So make sure that you're subscribed to the channel and hit the bell notification, because every Wednesday we pick random winners to give away guitar courses, swag and apparel, guitar gear, and sometimes we'll even give away cold hard cash. All you have to do is be subscribed to the channel and you're eligible to win. And if you want even more chances to win, like this video and leave a comment below, and share this video with anyone you think might like it. All winners will be announced in our Wednesday video and in our community tab. Good luck!